Hey everybody, it's Neil. Oops, sorry about the bouncing camera, but hey everyone, it's Neil, and today I have this. This is a fast charger, Apple phone chargers. It was a pretty inexpensive 3-pack, so I'm like, okay, sweet. Could use some chargers, always can use some more chargers. And so this one's really nice. It comes with 3 of the little charging nuggets, and it's the USB-C version, so that's kind of nice. And then it comes with 3 of the cables. So you got 3 wires, 3 chargers. So it's gonna give one of these things a shot. It looks like it is 20 watts, so that's a pretty decent. We should get a fast charge out of that. I think that's about as fast as the iPhone can take. And then if I can untwist this, see how long this cord is here. I can't remember how long it is, but I'm gonna guess it's probably 6 feet because that's about as tall as I am. So let's plug this in here. And it's got the plastic around it, but I guess, can I get that off easily? Yes. Let's see, that strip of plastic. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So it looks nice looking charger. And then it's got the lightning adapter on the back. So let's plug that one in to the wall. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. You guys aren't gonna be able to tell, but I am. I'm gonna plug this into the phone that I'm recording with. And there it is, I'm at 49%, so it's charging right now, so very cool. So it looks like it works, so it charges, and it's a very nice little set, comes with 3 of these. So I would totally suggest getting this one here. I'm gonna put a link to this one in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and this one gets 2 thumbs up from me, so very good.